Understanding the phrase, not hold water. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, not hold water. This phrase is commonly used in conversations and writings, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in. The expression, not hold water, has an interesting origin. It comes from the idea of a container that is supposed to hold liquid but has holes or cracks, causing the liquid to leak out. This visual metaphor is used to describe arguments or theories that have flaws or cannot stand up to scrutiny. Just like a container that can't hold water, an argument that doesn't hold water is ineffective or unconvincing. In modern English, when someone says an idea or argument does not hold water, they mean that the idea is flawed, weak, or not credible. It's often used in debates, discussions, and critiques. For example, if someone proposes a plan that is full of logical inconsistencies, you might say, "That plan doesn't hold water." Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. In debate, his argument against climate change doesn't hold water considering all the scientific evidence. 2. In everyday conversation, your excuse for being late doesn't hold water. The traffic was fine today. 3. In literature and media, the plot of the movie didn't hold water, leaving the audience confused. There are slight variations of this phrase that you might encounter. For example, hold no water, or cannot hold water. All these variations have the same underlying meaning but can be used depending on the context and the speaker's style. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, not hold water. Remember, it's a handy idiom for expressing doubt about the validity or soundness of an argument or theory. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.